All right, this is Mr. Rich Revelation presentation. We are in the middle of a There's a tornado coming right through here. Sorry, I gotta clean the camera off. There's a tornado headed right for us. Oh Lord, please, Lord, 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 Lord. Only in Alabama, in the South, tornado in January. They said we might have a light chance of rain this evening. Holy shit. What the hell? I'm gonna get hit by a tornado. I'm only, I guess there's no way to see it coming. Good God Almighty. Okay, that sounds like a train. I gotta go check the weather report. You're talking about a tornado, something that has had a. We've got a gone through. This may be does this. We could have another one. Okay, we're right there in the red. Moving into Come on now. This is 50 mile per hour winds, and that is making its way towards center point. Oh my God. And it Come on, man. Oh, come on, man. It is now west of Interstate 65. Center Point in Pinson. We're talking about Oh shit, it's coming right through here. Places,
Y'all please pray for me. I mean, it's coming right through our neighborhood.
Pick up the phone, give them a call, and let them know. Maybe a tornado right there around the Larkwood area. The debris signature still, it's not as pronounced as it was just a few moments ago, but we still have something that's being lofted up around the center point area. Wes is rewinding this over the last 15 minutes.
Oh,
And you
shit.
can see the bright blue indicating a pretty prominent debris signature.
This thing is going right through.
Indications in our debris tracker that we are seeing
Shit.
some things lofted. It could be leaves, trees, could be building materials. We just don't know, but we do know that it is something up. If you're in this area, this flashing area, make sure you are taking tornado precautions right now.
We are literally right
Springville
here.
Looks like Asheville area. You need to make sure you're in your safe place. Even Holly Springs, you're going to be in that Holly.
All right, I got to stay. Wait. Yep. Power is out. Oh, shit, fire. We can't see nothing coming. There we go. The power came back on. All right, I got to cut this short, guys.